Could each American get a $1,000 stimulus check? Stay tuned to find out. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you guys are having a great Sunday. Welcome to our show where we will discuss what is happening in our country, and when it comes to money going out, we have the most up-to-date news concerning stimulus checks, so you don't have to look any further. We will give you all the information that is available and when it could possibly go out. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the news. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. We have so much to get into. Let's dive in. So yes, it's true. $1,000 stimulus checks for everybody, everyone. This is what's being proposed by none other than a Republican representative, Jim Banks. He is pushing for you Americans to get a $1,000 stimulus check, whether you're on low income or whether you're on a fixed income. You need help and you need it now. So Republican Representative Jim Banks has stood up and said, this isn't right. We need to take care of the American people. We cannot aid other foreign countries and dispose of the American economy. This isn't good. This isn't healthy for the American people. In fact, why can we approve a $40 billion bill to help Ukraine and we can't pass anything for the American people? So that is why he suggested that instead of sending Ukraine another $40 billion in help, in aid, in material equipment, in anything, why not give Americans each $1,000? You and I both know that everybody can use an extra $1,000. That would help everybody to get through the month, get through the week, and put food on the table, put gas in your car. Representative Jim Banks said it would be better to give Americans $1,000 rather than providing Ukraine with a new aid package due that, guess what, the Senate's trying to get passed. This doesn't make any sense. Now, Jim Banks, who represents Indiana's 3rd Congressional District, he told Fox News, he said, look, there's nearly $40 billion in aid that has been approved by the House of Representatives that could be used to give Americans $1,000 each. Now, we know there's over 300-something million Americans in the United States, and that times 1,000 doesn't add up to 40 billion. But hey, at least he swung for the fence. At least he gave it a shot, saying, you know, with what's going on in America right now, I'd rather be helping Americans get back on their feet than sending money abroad with no strings attached to foreign countries. This is what he said. And, you know, right there, I know that many of you would definitely agree. Look, it's not that we don't want to help anybody. We understand what's happening in Ukraine. We understand that there's war that's going on. But what about what's going on over here? Gas, from the comments that you guys have commented saying that it's over $4. Well, we shouldn't see gas over $4. In fact, it should never go over $3. There's simply just too much gas to go around. They may say there's not, but actually there really is. We've got reserves for days and days and days, and there's so much more things that the United States could do, right, to get the gas that we need so that it would never have to be over $4. But they haven't made the right moves. So whatever's going on in the Senate and the House of Representatives, it doesn't look like America is the main focus. But this Representative Jim Banks said it's time to take care of the American people. It's not time to trash the American economy. It doesn't do us any good. In fact, we need to send everybody out some relief checks to help them get back on their feet. Listen, without batting an eye, this guy stood up and said, hey, you know, we need to stop sending money over there and we need to take care of the people over here. Would you agree with him? Would you stand with him? Let us know down in the comments below. To me, it would be understanding that if they would do, you know, a little bit of things for other countries to help, I'm all for helping people, but priority number one should be the American people. This is why they have their job. This is why they're doing what they're doing. We trust them. We pay our taxes, right? Or we don't really have a choice. Taxes come out if we pay taxes. And the thing is, they get paid and they decide what happens with the money. They decide who gets what, when, where. Come on, man, does that really make any sense? And we're just hoping that they'll send us some relief money, because the thing is that inflation has just skyrocketed. It's never been higher than in the last 40 years. I mean, this is crazy, and we're not getting paid any more money. But, you know, here's the thing. It doesn't seem like anyone has really stood up to the plate and said, what about America? That's why I'm glad that this representative, even though he is Republican, doesn't matter, somebody had to stand up to the plate and say, what about America? I am sure with him pushing for the American people to get stimulus checks, others will also jump on board to help fight this battle. Americans need help. Is that too much to ask for? Let us know your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. You guys make it worth it all. Don't forget to enter in to win a huge prize with us hitting our 70K subscriber goal. All the information is down below. And you can also enter in to win a $50 Visa gift card. All you have to do is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win. Guys, I hope that this information encouraged you to let you know that there are people who are looking out for the American people, that are casting out their voice to say, hey, you guys up there in the Senate and the House of Representatives, why not, just for laughs and giggles, take care of the American people? Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all this news. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace!